Hi there, Zoe here from Paper Pro. I'm here to show you our advanced reduce effort hole punches. All of our punches feature our Lever Pro reduce effort mechanism and our patented Pro Punch asymmetrical dies. They also feature simplified alignment guides for perfect hole placement every time. Combined, they deliver near effortless punching. Let me show you. See how easy that was? We offer a whole range of 3-hole, 2-hole, and 1-hole punches for the professional, school, and home user. Experience better with Paper Pro hole punches.
Swing line, selecting the perfect paper punch. Swing line knows there's a punch for every paper and that not everyone's needs are the same. Swing line models range from the basic single-hole punch to the 2-hole, 3-hole, and customizable punches. There's also the Optima electric punch that easily switches from an electric mode to battery-operated when on the run. There are so many options and Swing line has them all. 2-hole punches range from light duty to heavy duty, punching from 20 sheets of paper up to 300 sheets at a time. 3-hole punches range from a personal 10-sheet model, ideal for the filing of documents into binders, all the way to 45-sheet Smart Touch models that feature padded, oversized handles to reduce the effort needed to punch that many sheets. Our extra heavy-duty model punches 300 sheets at a time. Of course, nothing beats the ease and convenience of electric punches, and we've got personal desktop models that handle anywhere from 8 sheets up to 50 sheets at a time. We even have kits available to turn a manual 3-hole punch into a 5 or 7-hole punch like this. And all models feature paper guides for easy alignment. When it comes to paper punches, Swing line is the only name you need to know. Order yours today.